Hello watchers, welcome back to a vlog. I don't know the number, I guess 27th or 26th. Today is 24th of February 2024 and it is being 7:45 a.m. in the morning. I am going to get my bus from the other side of the station and I am going to Bologna. It's a city close by to where I live. I am going there because I have a conference or meetup kind of thing of effective altruism. I guess there will be people of AI safety and AI alignment as well. This is one of the first events in which I am attending in person, such kind of event, and that is a professional thing, and that is being possible majorly because I live here in Italy. So it feels kind of weird to me or kind of great to me, enthusiastic, thrilled and all. Luckily and thankfully I'm not that late for my bus. I have 25 minutes more for my bus to leave. I have not even slept well because obviously I cannot sleep. Everything is logically all correct and set, and emotionally I feel a bit weird, like chickening out kind of situation. Given that I'm so early, from there the bus will come and I have like 15 minutes. I'm free to record everything around, and I saw a good thing there also there, but I did not record it because I thought I would get late. This is the kind of anxiety that has been built into us, or has been built into me with respect to getting late to things. I recently heard in a podcast of Varun Grover for his movie All India Rank that his friends and a lot of people from India who are like kind of conditioned to be competitive have this kind of nightmares that they see regularly, that they are late for something or other, and I can very much relate to it. So I reached 10 minutes early only, like 12 minutes early. For now I guess I'll just sit here calmly and enjoy the view that I can. Also record some of the clips that I think are good enough. Even that by the time I think to record them they're already passed, so yeah. Just an information update, the city Bologna was 121 kilometers away from my house or from my place, so it will be like 1.2 kilometers per 1 minute, so like 72 kilometers per hour speed average, and that is good enough I guess, given that we are traveling on highway and good speed is there. So yeah, no, not very slow. Due to my ultimate utilization disorder that is trying to make most out of the things that I get, I find it very hard to travel to places just to explore or for tourism. Well, I guess I will be late to the destination. I'll not reach in 1 hour 40 minutes because I saw a board above there and it said the maximum velocity that we can travel at this moment is 50 kilometers per hour, because the visibility range, as you can see, the visibility range is not high enough so to travel at higher speeds. So obviously, given that speed will reduce and time will increase, given the distance is constant, it's too much foggy. But right now you can, I guess, understand it's not the mirrors are good enough and clean. It's actually fog. I cannot see like 50 meters away as it was written on the board. Something that can be used by Ed Sheeran in this song. Like this is the thing that comes in my mind because that was my first interaction with these kind of scenarios. Ed Sheeran songs, Castle on the Hill. So whenever I see these kind of things organized and structured down, basically, then that comes to mind. You can see like these are actually outskirts. You can see what kind of place it was there. Like these are outskirts and all, but it is way more structured than most of the cities in what you can see. The fog is increasing as we are moving to the outskirts or गाँव इलाके में जा रहे हैं. That is very common to happen and also anticipatable. I guess that was a good word. Because obviously the fog will increase as soon as we move to the less densely populated areas. At this moment we are like in the middle of countryside places, I guess, Bologna and Padua, and this is like a TFP2 more fog that you can have. I think at this moment the visibility is 10 meters, it's not even 50 meters. Buses driving at a good speed, and I don't have any urgency with it reaching on time. I have like 2-3 hours of buffer afterwards, so yeah, it's good enough if you drive slow. I want to be alive rather than being late. I'll record some montage for later, or I'll put some music right now. Put the music. I don't know how good of a strategy it is to travel to places only if I have some other work to do there. It was possible for me to travel to Bologna this time only because I have this EA event. I think it is not completely an optimal solution because one of the reasons for me coming to Italy to study was to get exposure, and me not traveling because of this strategy of mine is actually loss making. I don't even know when I'll get time to edit these things and post because I already have again backlog for my traveling back here and New Year, and that's all, but it's too much to edit. and this as well. And except that I have a lot of other video ideas of My Spy and Captain, etc. The sun came out. I guess it is visible clearly, and the visibility also increased a lot. Now you can see how clear that period was, and you can get a contrast of how much fog it was. The scenario is getting beautiful and beautiful, but as far as we go, I can see mountains a lot in the background, but I cannot see because you can see by my eyes I was asleep right now. I woke up suddenly when bus hit a kind of top, and then I woke up and I saw around, and it is beautiful and nice, but I'm also sleepy. I nearly slept. I'll have to skip something. I guess I'll sleep. I don't think if camera can capture the beauty at the distance. Those little houses, like not little houses, but as I can see, they are little houses. कहाँ हम सोच रहे थे कि 10-20 मिनट लेट हो जाएगा, 20 मिनट पहले आ गई है. In spite the fog, it came 20 minutes early, and हिंदी में हम आ गए हैं. मेरा मूड भी वही है, हमको लैंग्वेज का भी खिंचाई नहीं करना है. The bus system is quite different here. There is no U-return as we have in Padua, but the buses are nearly same. The quality of bus is same, and it's good that they announced that where the bus is going at. And I don't think that this is really a bus or something. It seems like tram line. They don't have tram. They have buses that uses the line above that you can see. I guess the wires above. I think now I should take out the tripod thing that I have brought, selfie stick tripod thing to record, because now I am on my foot. I have to go 400 meters. Okay, finally utilizing the stick thing that I have. It does capture a good video of my and of the locality. I guess I should switch my video to front and to the back. That thing, because I'm more important than the thing. If only I could also get a setup of microphone through which I can record through my phone microphone or through some other way. That would be better. I'm looking at, I guess, health is more important than looks, I guess. So having a cap is more important than getting my hairs in the video, if that's a thing. Yeah. Anyhow, you can see how the things are looking. You can also see how I am looking. I don't know which one is more important. Aesthetics is a tough field of philosophy, I guess, or stupid. This is the place, I guess, where the event will take place. And I'm not speaking very loudly because my voice can't create. Okay, I should have seen that. I will not speak much because no one is here and my voice will echo. Okay, so event जो था वो खत्म हो गया. मतलब जो भी कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग जो भी था ठीक ठाक रहा. मतलब मेन जो काम का बात था वो हो गया. हम खराब पॉइंट रखे हैं, बात किए लोगों से किया, तो सब अच्छी बात है. अभी 12:30 बज जाए, हमको 5:30 बजे जाना है बस स्टॉप पे. थैंकफुली एक यहाँ पे जो लड़की जिसका मार्टिन है ना, उससे हम पूछे थोड़ा सा रेफरी कि गूगल सर्च को तो कुछ बताता है, तो उनको बताइए कहाँ पे पास पड़ेगा ज़्यादा पर्सनलाइज डेफिनेशन कि कहाँ घूमना सही रहेगा, क्या क्या रहेगा. देखते हैं कहाँ घूमते हैं. कुछ चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड कर लेंगे उसमें से. जगह वैसा सीन रहेगा कि हम अभी जा रहे हैं, रास्ते में है तो कुछ रिकॉर्ड कर लेंगे और बता देंगे उसको हमें जो बताना है. खाने पीने के लिए हम पास्ता लेके आए घर से, टिफिन में पैक करके एज यूजुअल जो मैनेज के लिए करते थे, जो हम हर जगह के लिए करते हैं कि अपना खाना अपने साथ लेके चलते हैं. ओके, तो ये रहा वो. जब भी यहाँ पे आएंगे पहले इधर घूम लेते हैं ताकि इधर से घूम के वापस जाते हुए इधर हम चल जाएँ. और बस अभी हम वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, गाना ऐड कर लेंगे बाद में फिर से, क्योंकि ये तो वो मोनोलॉग ऐड कर लेंगे, वॉइस ओवर. Okay, yeah, so apparently I did a voiceover. These videos also act as a reminder for me to track the kind of growth I had, directly or indirectly. For me, then, that was like the biggest architecture or infrastructure that I have seen in vintage time as well. But now I have been to Berlin, I have been to Rome, I have been to a lot of other places where I have explored a lot of more things, and that feels like these things are not even comparable to that. So yeah, not just with respect to this, with respect to my professionalism as well, the growth curve is good enough that things get old very quickly. वो जो हाथी होता है उस टाइप का. रुक ना, सही बात है. वो भी मार्वेट के पूरे मछली में से पानी निकल रहा है, उसके मुंह में से पानी निकल रहा है.
Davanti, davanti, veni davanti.
I could have made a vlog with hyper cuts like Mr. Beach and all, that like for attention and ADHD stuff. But I did not do that and instead tried to make a slow vlog, mainly because I've recorded clips and also I thought that would encompass all the experience that I have more properly. The next vlog is also slow like this and it covers a museum, and the next one is also even better than that. So yeah, I hope you like it and you enjoy.
Tagliassero a pezzetti il vento li raccoglierebbe. Il regno dei ragni cucirebbe la pelle, tutti lo sono di una foglia di fiori. E cantare parole leggere, parole.
अच्छा सासन स्ट्रीट में ऐसा होता था भाई, यहाँ पे सब कॉपी के साथ लगाया था, सासन स्ट्रीट बहुत था और वहाँ पे हम लोग ऐसे घूम घूम के आते थे, असैसिनेट करते थे। देखो पूरा सासन स्ट्रीट बनाया, यही सब देख के बनाया था स्ट्रीट वाले। तो ये लोग सासन स्ट्रीट देख के बनाए, हमको नहीं पता। मेरे तो पहले एग्जिस्टेंस में सासन स्ट्रीट आया था भाई, तो हम तो वही मानेंगे। देखो